Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you how to create color halftone effect in seconds in Adobe Photoshop. As you can see here, I have an example in front of us and I've applied that color halftone effect to this particular image. So what I would like to do is show you the process that you need to follow to create this in seconds. Okay, so on another tab, I have the original image open up for us. The first thing that I need to do is to change the color into grayscale. So I'm going to come up to image, mode, and as you can see here, I can change that to grayscale. Let's press discard. Wonderful. Now I need to go back to image, back to mode, and now bitmap. Press OK here. What you should make sure you should have is your output is exactly the same as your input. So let's put 72 on each. And as you can see here, what you need to do is choose your method. You have several methods here, but the one that we would like to choose is halftone screen. Now I'm going to press OK. You can change the frequency to any number you like, but for this particular effect on this particular image, 4 would be the best frequency for me. And you can change the shape, but I like to keep it as round. And then we press OK. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that color halftone effect in seconds in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the courses, our school, us as tutors, please don't hesitate in visiting our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also as well, guys, there are recordings that come out on a weekly basis, ranging from Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Adobe XD. Great information for you to have a look at and find out some cool stuff. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.